How to create weekly revenue dashboard via n8n. It's Monday morning, your boss walks in and asks, "Can I see last week's total revenue and top performing products?" You smile because the dashboard is already in their inbox, fresh from n8n. No manual export, no endless filter, just an automated weekly summary that updates itself and pushes straight to Google Data Studio or whatever your analytics live or live. This is the workflow that makes you look like a data wizard, while n8n quietly does all the work behind the scenes. Let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the cron node, the weekly trigger. Let's open it. When should your dashboard refresh? Every Monday at 7 a.m. like the clockwork. So you have the mode every day and hour 7. His purpose is to automatically start your weekly reporting cycle without any manual action. After that, you have the Google Sheet node to fetch the weekly data. Where does your sale data live? In a Google Sheet sync from your e-commerce platform or payment system. The columns from this Google Sheet will be the date, the order ID, the product, the quantity, and the revenue. His purpose is to pull all transactions from the past 7 days to feed into your weekly summary. Next is the function node that aggregates the weekly totals. How do you transform raw rows into business insight? We'll use a function node to calculate the total order, the total revenue, top 3 products, and average order value. His purpose is to convert your daily data into a clean weekly summary. Guess what your average order values was last week before running it. Were you close? After that, you have the Google Sheet to write to weekly summary. Where will your summaries data go? Into a second sheet, the weekly summary. So the map field will be the start date, JSON start date, the end date, JSON end date, the total orders, JSON total orders, total revenue, JSON total revenue, the average order value, JSON average order value, and the top product, JSON top products. His purpose is to log each week's data for continuous trend analysis. And the final node is the webhook to refresh the dashboard, the trigger dashboard refresh. So, how does your Data Studio dashboard stay live? With a webhook that pings your Google Apps script or connector to refresh the data source. The body will be the action that refresh the dashboard and the source the weekly summary. His purpose is to make sure that Google Data Studio dashboard updates instantly after n8n writes new data. Can you guess how long it takes for Data Studio to show the new numbers after this webhook fires? Under 30 seconds. As a final recap, we have the cron that triggers every Monday at 7 a.m., the Google Sheets that fetches last week's data, the function that calculates weekly totals, the Google Sheet appends that log the summary, the webhook that refreshes your dashboard, and as an outcome, you built a fully automated weekly revenue dashboard system. Every Monday, it wakes up, calculates, updates, and refreshes your analytics without you lifting a finger. You start every week with a clean, ready-to-present revenue dashboard built by robots, read by humans. I hope you enjoyed also this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.